What's up everyone, my name's Mitch and today we're going to be talking all about acne. In the first part of this video, we'll talk about what exactly acne is and how it forms. And then in the second part, we'll talk about several steps you can take in order to get rid of your acne. All along the underside of your skin, you have things called sebaceous glands. These glands help keep your skin and your hair follicles well lubricated. They do this by secreting an oily based substance called sebum that's used to help prevent your skin and your hair from drying out. This sebum also carries dead skin cells from the inner layers of your skin up to the surface so your body can get rid of them. The sebum travels from the sebaceous glands out into the openings of your skin through something called pores. And I think everyone has heard of the term pores. Gotta keep your pores open, keep your skin looking good. Sometimes this sebum, along with your dead skin cells, can become congested and actually block the openings of your pores. When this occurs, the bacteria that's normally living and crawling on your skin, yes, you do have bacteria on your skin at all times, these little critters can make their way into the sebum and eventually clog those pores. This in turn leads to inflammation and ultimately results in acne. So now that we have a brief overview of what acne is and how it forms, let's talk about several steps you can take in order to get rid of your acne. The first thing, and probably one of the single most crucial ways to fight acne, is to wash your face twice every single day. It's important when you're washing your face to use a well-branded soap that's particular for your skin type. What I mean by this is that most individuals who suffer severely from acne have very oily skin, so getting a soap that helps reduce this oil is key. When you wash your face, use lukewarm water, and when you're finished washing your face, take your towel and gently pat your face dry. The second really important thing to do is to get a solid skincare routine that you stick to. The key to this is routine. It's very important to get some sort of skincare routine that you in fact do every morning and every evening. This skincare routine should include a general face wash, again, particular to your skin type, a morning and evening moisturizer, and an exfoliant. For my guys out there, I highly recommend Tiege Hanley's product line for acne specifically, or Geology, as they both anecdotally seem to help many individuals. Ladies, I would recommend visiting Dr. Dre's YouTube channel, as she's a board certified dermatologist who has literally over 1,000 videos on some of the best and most affordable skincare products that you can get in order to form a routine. The third thing you can do pretty easily is reduce the number of times that you touch your face in a day. Now I know this may seem a little obvious, but touching your face throughout your day with your hands takes all the muck and guck that your hands attract throughout your day and places it all along the pores on your face. This would obviously contribute to your pores being clogged. The fourth thing you can do is to change your pillowcase every single night. Now this may seem a bit cumbersome, but I promise you it'll make a huge difference overall. Again, changing your pillowcase every night will reduce both the number of bacteria on your pillowcase as well as the excess oil that may build up over multiple nights of sleeping in a row. It's good to sleep multiple nights in a row. Very good. The fifth thing you can do, and this is a big one, is stop popping your pimples. Squeezing or popping pimples actually leads to increased inflammation, which can in turn make your acne worse. So it's best to let the medication do its job. Speaking of, the best over-the-counter medication that you can use to fight acne is something called benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide commonly comes in a 5% solution, and it works in 3 major ways. Number 1, it helps kill the bacteria responsible for acne, which in turn will lead to a reduction in inflammation. Number 2, it removes excess oil buildup. And number 3, it helps remove excess dead skin cells. This can be purchased pretty much anywhere you can think of, and it's been proven in in many different studies to be effective in treating acne. One of the biggest problems that individuals have while taking benzoyl peroxide is that it can cause some mild skin irritation. If you have trouble tolerating the 5% solution, I would recommend using the 2.5% solution first and then building your way up to 5%. Again, the best way to reduce the chance of skin irritation is to apply the 2.5% solution once a day and then wash it off after about 3 to 6 hours of first putting it on, and gradually increase the time that you leave the benzoyl peroxide on your skin. Once you can tolerate leaving the 2.5% solution on your skin throughout the entirety of the day, then switch to the 5% solution. Eventually, you want to aim to use the 5% solution twice a day as your body becomes used to it. If you'd like to know what actually makes acne worse, as well as the top 5 myths about acne debunked, be sure to check out that video, which is coming in the future. Also, I'll be doing more videos on skincare in the future, so look out for those as well. As always, guys, if your acne is very severe and you've tried several things on this list and it still doesn't seem to be getting better, please visit your local healthcare provider. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you'd like to know even more information about health or wellness, please visit my website at www.wellsci.info. Again, thank you, and I will see you all on the next one.